about now, debuting onto the stage, real OG to the game. She goes by the name of Brenda from Sisters Underground.
Talofa.
This one's called Sisters of Zion. This goes out to all the beautiful soul sisters up in here. Shine, goddess, a symbol of real love, true followers of Christ. Sing from above, dedicated, humble, meek, pure and high. Fear no man, but only fear of God. But spiritual strength that's keeping us strong, holding on tight to that iron bar. But sometimes things can get real tough, end up making choices that seem so hard. Our soul's sincere desires to get back up. This prayer, I got a breath, I made a prayer, even though it seems as if no one cares. With humility, we enter heaven, he hears our cries deep inside, repent and persevere through the atonement of Christ. He is sincere, gracious and loving, and wants us to bear our testimonies of him. That's why I gotta share.
Sisters of Zion, spread the word.
Yeah,
Love, righteousness, my beautiful. Sisters of Zion, virtuous, pure and wonderful.
It's a real wise sisterhood, chosen and set apart to serve gracefully, immovable and steadfast and by. Spread the good news like a singing lark, strong voices, courageous and serene in the heart. Use our agency, showing love for our God with humility, choosing right from the wrong. Brings happiness, strength to overcome. Really designs the adversary's wicked path. Devilishly pleased, how easily we succumb. Whispers in our ear how we ain't that good enough. Mastermind of psychology, tricks up his arms. Voice perfected, reused upon everyone has never stopped. Sentence, excommunication makes us feel small. Rich does not come from God who desires most of all for us. From God who desires most of all for us. From God who desires most of all for us. Come on.
Sisters, you are one of a
That's right,
kind.
sisters.
Seek his guidance and you'll do fine.
That's right, y'all.
We'll fight together to stay
That's
online.
right, keep your head up.
Keep your head up.
Keep your head up, sisters.
Keep your head up and smile. Sisters of Zion, spread the word. Full of righteousness, my beautiful. Sisters of Zion, virtuous, pure and wonderful.
Yeah, give it up for the beautiful soul sister, Brenda from Sisters Underground. I want to do this last track for everyone.